Here is the most important advice I can give you. Ricoritas, welcome to my channel. I'm Gali, and because relationships can be complicated, today I'm here to help you. So, if you haven't subscribed yet, please remember to do it right now, and also you can follow me on any of my social medias. Today's video is totally amazing because I'll tell you how to make your crush want you. Yes, I'll tell you everything in this video. So, with no further ado, let's start. I know sometimes we get a little bit crazy over our crush and we don't know what to do. I've made several videos about how to identify if they like us or not. So, if for some reason you think that your crush likes you, this video is perfect for you because you can make this girl or that guy really want you, and he or she won't stop thinking about you all day long. Everything starts with the physical appearance. I'm not saying that is the most important, but everything starts there because when you look at a person, you're not thinking, oh, what a beautiful heart, oh, that's an amazing mind. No, you don't really see the feelings. The first thing you see is the physical appearance, the face, the body. So, what is the first advice? Take a shower, brush your teeth, get some perfume on. That's basic. Of course, don't forget about the deodorant and your nails. Try to keep them really clean. Number 2, your clothes. Oh my God, please, especially the guys, pick the appropriate outfit and make sure it's clean. Okay, don't pick that outfit that you've already worn for like 25 times or that outfit that you've used to sleep a week. No, make sure it's clean and it smells good. You don't want a really stinky outfit. So if you've been doing, some sport, make sure that you get changed, so you can go see her or see him. The first impression is always the one that counts. There's not gonna be any girl or guy in the world that will want to be next to someone that is kind of stinky. Number 3, your breath. I know I already say that you have to brush your teeth and that is obvious, but yes, you brush your teeth in the morning or you brush your teeth after lunch, but at what time are you seeing her or him? You gotta make sure you didn't have a smelly snack. You wanna have a wonderful breath, if that's what, you never know if you're gonna end up kissing that person or if that person is gonna end up kissing you. Plus, remember this, if you have a dragon breath, who wants a person that is kind of stinky next to you, like this close, looking at you, talking to you? Are you really gonna be wanting to be around him or around her? Not at all. Would you really be thinking about that person? Probably you will be thinking about their breath, like, oh, why he didn't brush his teeth, or why she didn't take care of that. So be careful. Number 4, this is gonna be probably the most unbelievable advice, but most of the people forget, and it's super important. Deodorant. Oh my God, we can sweat so much and we can be stinky, but that is why we have deodorant. Make sure that you keep your deodorant with you, especially in those days where you're running around doing a lot of errands. That is very important to have your deodorant. Again, it all comes to smell good and not to be stinky. Plus, it's very uncomfortable for the person that is next to you because you never know if he or she is going to say something and you will be very, very embarrassed. So verify everything. Verify that you look clean, that you smell good, and please, sometimes deodorant is even more important than the breath, because the breath you can kind of solve it with some gum or some candies, but what can you do with the deodorant if you don't have one? Stop by and get one. That's pretty complicated sometimes. Now that you already took care of all the physical appearance, here is the most important advice I can give you. And it is, be yourself. Be honest. Show yourself the way you are. Don't lie. Because, first of all, especially women, we love honesty. Second of all, if you're just pretending to be someone, it's gonna be noticeable. And we don't like that. In general, people. Honesty goes first. Show yourself as a confident person, as someone that can be trusted. But of course, always keep the mystery effect. Don't tell that person every little thing about you, about where you're gonna be, what you're gonna be doing, when, at what time. Don't give your schedule like that. Just keep a little room for that mystery effect. So that person will have the plenty of room to be thinking of, oh, what is she doing right now? Oh, maybe he's doing this. Oh, I don't know. So make sure you leave that room. Of course, treat him or treat her with a lot of respect. Be friendly, be lovely. But please, respect is one thing. And being way too much caring is another thing. Just keep the balance. You don't want that person to be thinking like, oh, I got her here. Or, oh, this guy is dying for me. So always keep that mystery effect. Like you're not as secure as they might think you are. So, Recoritas, I hope you liked these advices. And remember that if you do all this, that's more than guaranteed that he or she will be thinking of you all day long and they will totally want to be with you. So, good luck and see you soon in another video. I love you. Bye.